let's say hypothetically that I'm a network director. I've decided to take your word for this, right? To keep my edge switches deployed, the 3850s, we'll just say. Um, and then I get a curveball from my boss, right? And oh my goodness, we need a new location in Kalamazoo to support our sales force, or whatever it may be. Um, if I've standardized on this edge switch, for example, that is now end of life, but I do still have need to, expand our environment's footprint. What are my options then? Is there something OneCall can do for me in that instance? Should I go ahead and get the 9300 for that, one location and keep these 3850s deployed elsewhere? What's your take on that?
Yeah, we see this all the time. Hardware fulfillment is one of our major product offerings. Pivot is the largest purchaser of secondary market hardware in the world, and we have close to 100 million in inventory at our Portland Technology and Distribution Center. And that's everything from current generation, but back as far back as may be needed. All equipment that comes through our facility goes through a rigorous quality testing procedure. Everything is grade A, is backed with a lifetime warranty and immediately available. So in this case, when a client comes to us and they have to turn up a new office, the 9300s might be back ordered. We might see some of them in stock where we can supplement with that. But it might be that they just want a low cost option. And if they standardize on the 3850s, we can turn up a new office and have that equipment shipped out within days.
Love it. And in that same scenario, right, if you need OneCall on it, just say the word. It's literally that easy. When you're dealing with Pivot, because we do have all of those offerings under a single roof.